Good day, Ma'am Precious. I'm Randolph Asahid,
And I am Enrico Penales.
and we are to present our research proposal entitled Introverts and Extroverts Relational Success Stories.
First, we will start with the description of the project. First, the rationale. Extroverted people seem to have more people connected to them compared to those who are introverted. But most people end up disliking extroverted people the longer their relationship goes. Uh, and Introverts seem to interact with fewer people, and because of that, they they end up on a more intimate relationship. But these observations still are open to questions as to who are more likely to end up in a successful relationship. According to Khalil 2016, introverts and extroverts not only have different personalities, but their minds also operate differently, resulting in different decisions. Good decision making is also one of the reasons people stay connected with you. It's according to Castro 2013. It is good decision making is truly a a important trait that makes people safe when they are around you. Next.
So, the objectives of this research. So, the general objective of this research is that this research will observe whether extroverts or introverts are more likely to obtain relational success. Also, the differences between extroverts and introverts will be analyzed to provide realizations to the readers on how they can be more successful in real life relationships. So the specific objectives are first, what are the experiences of the participants in terms of their relationships? Second, what are the challenges of the participants? And third, what are their coping strategies?
Uh, Next is the theoretical lens. First theory is a theory that will support this study is the Great Man theory, which was made by Cotton 1986. This theory illustrates that how most introverts can lead groups. Leading groups leading is one of the important traits that a person can have to boost their boost their relationship with other people. It's a good trait. It can give you good a positive feedback from other people. Next.
So another theory that will support this study is the similarity theory of David Buss. It was made in 1985 that refers to the people's preferences for similar others into mate selection as assortive mating. So this research, as I recall, it it tackles on the extroverts and introverts having relationship with others on how they prefer their partners in mating. So next.
Next is the methodology. First, research design. Quality research design follow the ethnographic model as we aim to understand interactions of certain type of people to other people, specifically the extroverts and introverts. At the end of the study, we are to determine whether extroverts or introverts have more successful relationships. Next.
So the research participants of this study is the extroverts and introverts. They are our primary target participants. We will also include people connected to the primary participants to compare their answers. And this will help us to understand both sides of people and their relationship status.
Next is the data gathering procedure. The researchers will first ask the permission of the participants if they are willing to participate in the study. The researchers will interview the selected participants with a set of questions, while also adding some follow up questions depending on how the interview goes. The researchers will also interview some people connected to the participants. The researchers will then do an analysis of the data gathered.
So the research project duration. This research will be conducted within 6 months.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Precious.